User codes are necessary to operate your BE365 keypad deadbolt. You can activate up to 19 different user codes at once. Adding or deleting a user code takes just seconds. To add a new user code, enter your 6-digit programming code. Wait for the Schlage button to turn orange. Then press the Schlage button, followed immediately by the number 1 key. Enter the new 4-digit number. Pause until the Schlage button blinks 3 times and you hear 3 beeps. Then enter the same 4-digit number again to confirm. When the light turns green and you hear a long beep, you have successfully added a new user code. Your lock will automatically exit programming mode. To delete a single user code, enter your 6-digit programming code. Wait for the orange backlight. Press the Schlage button, followed immediately by the number 2 key. Enter the 4-digit user code you want to delete. Pause, then enter the same 4-digit number again to confirm. When the light changes to green, you have successfully deleted an existing user code. The ability to quickly add or delete user codes gives you the flexibility to allow temporary access to your home when you choose. This is a great option for times when you have out-of-town visitors or service providers.